Welcome back, everyone. This will be a really quick video doing an example of the same type of problems that will be on your weekly practice to review what an integer is and how to express it in real life situations. So let's get started. So your questions are just like the ones below. They will say use an integer to represent each real life situation. So remember, we've talked about integers are positive whole numbers and their opposites. So that means you will not be using fractions or decimals for this. So the first question says the elevator rose 4 floors. Well, if we rise, we know that's a positive. So this would just be a positive 4. You don't have to write a plus sign because just the number 4 is represented as positive. If we go to the elevator lowered 6 floors, that would be going down. So that would be a -6. Okay, and then we have the no change in elevation. So if there's no change, that would be 0. Nothing happened. Just like down here, the no points gained or lost, that would be 0. Okay? And then we have 1 bonus point. If you get a bonus point, that's a positive thing, so that'd be a positive 1. But if you get 3 incorrect, that would be -3. 10 seconds before blast off. So that would be a -10 because we haven't gotten to 0 yet. Okay, 7 seconds after launch would be +7. So you have the launch time plus 7 more seconds. And then blast off will actually be 0. If they were logging a clock, they would say that is 0. Part 2 of your weekly practice is to identify each integer using the number line below. So the important thing on this to note is that 0 is right there. And anything to the left of 0 would be a negative number, and things to the right of 0 would be a positive number. So it started with point D. So point D would be to the left, 2 spaces, 1, 2. So this would be -2. And the opposite of point D would be a +2. And then point B is also to the left, but it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spaces. And since it's to the left, it's -7. And the opposite of -7 would be +7. And then point F is to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's a +5, so the opposite of that would be a -5. And that's all your weekly practice is for each of the days. I hope this helps. Have a great day.